Can Render do a 10x? Artificial intelligence in DePIN is on an absolute tear today, with most projects up over 30%, some upwards of 100%. You have Render hitting a jackpot at $7.77, up 25%. And you have Clore, which we actually called at nearly 10 cents, up in almost 200% at this point. So is it too late to jump in on DePIN cryptos and these AI projects? Well, right now, most of them are in price discovery, and a lot of these are up 10, 20, 25x. Some of the microcaps are up like 50 to 100x. And unfortunately, a lot of people want to tell you that this bull run is just getting started. And I have to just come out and say it, guys. We have been in this bull run for a minute, and these trends come in cycles. Right now, the narrative is obviously around artificial intelligence and DePIN. It was because of the earnings report from NVIDIA. But personally, if you weren't following this channel or in these products way earlier like we have, I am not dollar cost averaging into any of these right now. In fact, I just sold my entire initial bag of Clore because now we still have a ton of money in it, but it is just house money. These AI and DePIN products we've been talking about with you guys for weeks, guys, they're at all-time highs, which means if you're coming into the top of these green candlesticks, you have a way higher chance of just simply being exit liquidity than you do at actually making money. But don't worry, because I got you. There's going to be more trends, and there is one that I think is right around the corner nobody's talking about. If you follow my Twitter or YouTube, you would know that that would be Bitcoin Layer 2s. And again, let me make one thing clear, guys. I'm being realistic with you. I am up massively with a lot of these bags. So my risk on DePIN and AI is only upside at this point. My initials are out. So if you're someone that's coming in, you got that FOMO itch, right? You have this emotional attachment to jump into that category because you saw a friend make some money, you saw me make money, you saw some other creator make money. I've been in for a long time at this point with these markets. And some of these products, even though I've been in them for only a couple of weeks, like Clore, they're already up 200%. And now every creator is starting to talk about these industries, which is why, guys, trends are the most important way to make money in crypto. They're the easiest way. You even have Dominic, the founder of ICP, one of the largest projects out there, saying the same exact thing. When they do marketing, it doesn't change their overall substance of their network, but they're going to follow the trends. If DePIN's popping off, they're going to market as DePIN. If AI's popping off, they're going to market their AI sector. If some, Web3 gaming's popping off, they're going to market their Web3 gaming sector. But while AI and DePIN are pumping off the NVIDIA announcement, which is, yes, incredibly bullish for these markets, realize that Bitcoin really hasn't moved. It did bounce a little bit from hitting like the 50,600 range, but we still have to break 53K. And I anticipate that that's going to happen before the Bitcoin halving. So rather than jumping into the products that are now hyped up and overvalued, I'm watching for that next trend. And I truly believe, from the bottom of my heart, this isn't ads, this isn't advertising, this is me being in this industry early, just like DeSci, which I called and is still extremely early. I think there's going to be another season to that in probably 6 to 12 months. I'm heavily invested in Bitcoin Layer 2s because there is massive upgrades coming to some of these platforms, as well as the Bitcoin halving, with tens of billions of dollars. Tens of billions of dollars, guys. There's not that kind of money flowing into AI and your DePIN cryptos. There's a lot of money, but it's not nearly the amount of money that is going to be flowing into Bitcoin Layer 2s. For example, like this one, this is OrdiSwap right here. ORDS. Bitcoin Layer 2s are like 3 months old. This is a project that launched on December 29th, and it's straight up just in a consolidation pattern. There's so much accumulation going on right now. The longer we're in this, the bigger the pump is going to be on these projects. Tiny market caps, guys. I'm talking 30, 40 million projects. Go do your own research, of course. But it's not about being at the top of the trend. It's about being early to the trend. And Bitcoin Layer 2s, guys, if you want to make money in crypto, this is a category you need to watch and not miss out on. Justin Sun is getting ready to launch his Bitcoin Layer 2. That is billions of dollars. Justin Sun, guys, the founder of Tron, while there's a lot of questionable moral things he has probably done in the environment or in the industry, this is a guy that buys the exact top or the exact bottom and sells the exact tops of almost every single cycle. He just bought a ton of Ethereum, and now he's investing into Bitcoin Layer 2s, while everybody else, all the retailers, are FOMOing into DePIN. Again, great project, guys. We made so much money off DePIN. We made tons of money off AI. We're still going to make money off AI. Just the risk factor there is much higher than the new emerging industries like Bitcoin Layer 2s. Make sure you follow me on X because I'll be replacing this DePIN Twitter thread with a Bitcoin Layer 2 one tonight. And join our group where I drop exclusive updates and let you guys know about all of these products that I'm watching in real time.